dog.
Okay, Laura, so this is the dog dinner routine. There's a little bag of meat there. There's going to be meat in the fridge, and we'll have it ready for you. Now we're going to follow Pat over to the cupboard here, where she's going to get the dog food out.
Oops.
The red scoop is Betty's, and the green one is Gary's. Cheeks' cat food lives in there too, in that bag, and he just gets a level scoop morning and night.
Scoop's in the bag.
Scoop is in the bag. Okay. So this one here is Betty's. Pat's a little pickier about getting everything level than I am. And she's going to give Betty a little meat. Betty doesn't really need it because she'll eat regardless, but she has to get a little treat too. And the meat could be anything. It could be chicken or pork or beef or a mix of all three. You know, it doesn't matter. All right. Now Gary's, she's going to put the meat on the bottom because we try to make him dig for it because he's a picky eater. And he gets quite a bit more than Betty does. Put it on top. A little more meat on top. All right. Betty gets a lot of water because she doesn't chew anything. That's good. And then Gary just sloppy. All right. So that's it, and they only eat once a day in the evening. There are cookies on top of my computer desk, and they get two of those cookies in the morning, and then they get a cookie divvied up between them when they go in their crates at night. All right, hopefully this is enough. Bye.